Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can recall mail in Zoho Mail. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to mail.zoho.com and log in to your Zoho Mail account. Once you're inside, go to the top right and click on this gear icon to access your settings. A pop-up menu will appear, and on the left panel, click on Compose right under Mail. Keep in mind that unlike Microsoft Outlook, Zoho Mail doesn't have a built-in recall feature. However, there is a workaround, and that is the undo interval. So what this does is, for what you set it, either from 5 to 30 seconds, you have the option to recall a mail and correct if there are any wrong contents. So simply click here to activate it, and then let's say I'm going to set it for 30 seconds, which means after sending an email through Zoho Mail, I have 30 seconds to undo and correct the mistakes that I had on my initial email. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!